Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you join us here in San Antonio, Texas, and we're going up the Tower of the Americas.
Hello and welcome to Tower of the Americas. After our quick elevator ride to the top, you'll be taking in the best views of beautiful San Antonio. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece for the World's Fair, Tower of the Americas stands 750 feet above the sprawling Alamo City below. If you were to take the stairs up, it might take you a while to complete the nearly 1,000-step journey to the top. Relax and enjoy the view as we ascend skyward. Our first stop is Chart House Restaurant, serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling cityscape below as the restaurant slowly rotates 360 degrees. Grab a cocktail, a quick drink in Bar 601, and enjoy happy hour Monday through Friday. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck here at Tower of the Americas. Breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and telling just a few tales of Texas' colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas. We're so glad you're here, and we hope you enjoy your visit.
Oh, we go to the top. I mean, should have come over. Have it? Yeah, I'm ready to stop it out, so.
I see you over there. Yes, you. Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
I best not wish to be big. So there you have it, we are at the top. We're on the observation deck. There is glass here, but this bit's open up the top. And as you can see, it's windy because my shirt keeps inflating. Hey! Anywho, enjoy the views. Poet. There's downtown San Antonio. So you have all these big buildings, modern buildings, and right about there you have this old church. Cool. They've just built a building around the church. Oh, and for information, there is a bar and a revolving restaurant just below our feet in the next floor down, but we won't be going in there. You have to make reservations and it's quite expensive. And there's a cop. Somebody's getting pulled over. Oh no, they're just racing along.
Put it in. Ellie!
You may have heard this, but Zoltar is here to tell you you can believe it. Age is simply a matter of mind. If you don't mind, then my friend, it doesn't matter. So go on, be carefree like a little baby. But first, give Zoltar a little money, and I will give you a fortune. I am Zoltar, the Great.
You guys want one together? There's Caesar Chavez probably.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Whether you enjoyed an extraordinary meal at Chart House, a cocktail at Bar 601, or a great view from the observation deck, we hope your experience at Tower of the Americas was unforgettable. When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience and take a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State. You'll take in the sights of Texas high school football's Friday Night Lights and get up close and personal with a bucking bull at the rodeo, all without leaving your seat. Grab a snack, drink, or something sweet at the Tower Cafe, and bring home a San Antonio or Tower of the Americas souvenir from our expansive gift shop with a wide variety of memorabilia and collectibles. Tower of the Americas and Chart House Restaurant are operated by Landry's Incorporated. Be sure to try Landry's other dining destinations in the Alamo City, including Landry's Seafood and Rainforest Cafe on the Riverwalk, Morton's Steakhouse at Riverside Mall, and 5 Metro Saltgrass Steakhouse locations. Thanks for visiting. We hope to see you again soon.
So as part of your entrance ticket, you also get entrance to that. The Skies Over Texas 4D Theater. So it's like a cinema experience where the seats move. Ooh, you've just gone dark. Get some light. And yeah, the seats move, etc. If I'm honest, the actual Skies Over Texas movie was a bit cheesy. The other two, which is Ice Age short, that was really funny, that was good. And then there is the best bits of Wonder Woman all made together into a 20-minute presentation, and that was awesome also. But yeah, that's all part of your ticket. This has been the Tower of, nearly said Tower of Terror. This has been the Tower of the Americas here in San Antonio. And on that note, I shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.